Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
There is a stop sale and recall for certain examples of the 2021 through 2022 Ford Mach-E and 2022 Maverick. The size of the bolt holes for attaching the rear seat belt buckles is too large, and this could decrease their ability to restrain passengers in a crash. Ford spokesperson said Deep confirms to Motor1.com that there are no known injuries or deaths from this issue. The forum Ford Maverick Truck Club first published the paperwork about the stop sale for this issue. It affects the examples of the Mach-E with production dates from October 5, 2021, to November 18, 2021. The examples of the Maverick have a build period from October 6, 2021, to October 20, 2021. Dealers can't sell these vehicles to customers until the repair is complete. To be clear, if a dealer has a Mach-E or Maverick with a production date outside of this period, then those examples are not part of the stop sale, and a showroom could sell that vehicle. Deep tells Motor1.com that this campaign affects 2,626 total vehicles. He said Ford already sent the necessary paperwork about the recall to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. As of this writing, the government safety agency hasn't yet published that info. According to the internal document on Ford Maverick Truck Club, the automaker will send out a dealer bulletin during the week of January 3rd with information about ordering replacement parts and the repair instructions. As you would expect, the members of the Maverick Forum are not too happy about this stop sale. Many people there are still waiting for delivery. If any of them are getting a truck from within this production period, the new owner can't drive it home until the repair is complete. Share, like and subscribe.
Thank for watching.